In this video, I will explain how to divide rational expressions. So I have an example for us to work through here. We have x minus 7 over x squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 4x minus 21 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. So when we perform division of a fraction, it's actually the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So the reciprocal just means we flip the numerator and the denominator. So we can rewrite this whole thing as x minus 7 over x squared minus 4 times, and we're just going to flip the numerator and the denominator. So in the numerator we will write x squared plus 5x plus 6. And in the denominator we have x squared minus 4x minus 21. So we haven't changed anything. Dividing by this fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So this just makes it a little bit easier to work with. So now that we've done that, now that we've rewritten it, we can factor the numerator and the denominator of each expression and then just multiply straight across. So let's do that. So we have x minus 7, there's nothing to factor there. Down here we have x squared minus 4. So that can be rewritten as x plus 2 and x minus 2. So if you multiplied out x plus 2 and x minus 2, you would just be left with x squared minus 4. So we just factored the denominator there. Now let's factor the numerator of this expression, x squared plus 5x plus 6. So what numbers multiply to 6 and add to 5? That would be 3 and 2. So we can rewrite this as x plus 3 and x plus 2. That's how we factor that particular polynomial. And then in the denominator we have x squared minus 4x minus 21. So again we ask, what numbers multiply to negative 21 and add to negative 4? So that would be negative 7 and positive 3. So we'll write x minus 7 and x plus 3. Now that we have factored both the numerator and the denominator of each expression, we just look for common factors that we can cancel out. So for example, in the numerator right here we have an x plus 3. Well, notice we also have an x plus 3 in the denominator right here. So those will cancel out. Now here we see we have an x minus 7 in the numerator, and over here we have an x minus 7 in the denominator, so those will cancel out. And we also see we have an x plus 2 right here in the numerator that can cancel out with this x plus 2 in the denominator. So in the numerator, we're not left with anything. In other words, we're just left with a 1. And in the denominator, we're left with an x minus 2. So that will be our final answer, 1 over x minus 2. That is what this original expression simplifies to. Thanks for watching.